What do you do in the space of your silence? Do you dance and sing your worries away? Pray with the light of the sun. Call to the moon and her waves. I cherish the beauty Mother, Father, God has given me in this moment. Breathing deep breaths, connecting me to my innermost self. Becoming a living poem. A walking work of art, because we are that and nothing less. In the heart of the light of the sun, I'm reminded to just let it all go. Let nature consume and intoxicate me in the bliss and beauty of its vitality. When we let go of our burdens and stressors, we truly have nothing left that blocks us from experiencing the divine within and around us. A reminder to us all to let go of the things of the mind, to breathe, sing and dance, to laugh and to cry, and to create, endlessly inspiring ourselves into an upward spiral. Let us explore with curiosity, rekindling the fire of love and passion within us. Humbly acknowledging the serenity and grace we were made of. Let us send gratitude to our ancestors and those who came before us, leaving behind the physical things, that which we cannot bring with us when we pass. They are constant reminders of the importance of caring for the spirit within, as it's all we have. So Spirit asks, what legacy will you leave behind? Maybe it's something grand. Maybe it's something simple and true to us. Whatever it may be, it's wise that it aligns with the essence of who we are, making sure it includes integrating our shadows and the lessons we're meant to learn, not shying away from them, but meeting them with courage and a kindness toward ourselves. Through loving our scars, we love ourselves back to life, expanding to lengths we hardly deemed possible. Constantly giving back when the love of God is on our side, for it's our way of life to keep giving, to keep growing and dying, letting nature take her course. important to make a disclaimer when you're putting stuff out there for other people to see or watch. I don't want to give an unrealistic expectation or perspective of myself. There's a lot that I obviously don't share. But yeah, so I'm not perfect. And yeah, I feel like I have a pretty down-to-earth character about myself besides my spiritually etheric essence that ties me to the stars. But other than that, yeah, I think it's important to have a positive outlook no matter what the ups and downs in life. My life is not perfect. I just really enjoy beautiful things and capturing beautiful energy and letting that kind of lift me up and propel me forward in life. I trust in the process as I lay thanks to all that life and death has to teach me. Pondering the creations that are created in the in-between. The mysteries of life in front of my eyes, forever a sight to behold. Thank you for watching another video. With love, Maya.